Welcome to FleetProxy. Today, we're setting up FleetProxy inside AdsPower for a smooth and secure multi-account experience. Start by clicking New Profile in AdsPower, then give your profile a clear name. You can customize browser fingerprints, cookies, and login data for each profile, keeping every account completely isolated. Now let's move to the FleetProxy dashboard. Choose the plan that fits your needs, whether residential or mobile. From here, adjust your settings. Select your country filter, set your session type, rotating or sticky, and pick the number of proxies you want. Choose your proxy format, usually host, port user, pass, then click copy. Go back to your AdsPower profile, scroll down to the proxy section, and set the protocol type to HTTP. Now paste your proxy. It will automatically fill in all the required fields. Click Check Proxy to make sure the connection is stable, then Save Profile. Finally, start your profile session, and you're ready to go. Remember, choose rotating proxies for bulk actions or automation, and sticky proxies for logins or trusted sessions that need the same IP. A common mistake is forgetting to paste the full host, port, user, pass string, which can cause random countries or connection errors. Always double-check your full proxy line before saving. To celebrate this partnership, we're offering a special 35% FleetProxy discount. Check the on-screen code or link below. We also have special discount code for you on AdsPower. Use FleetProxy for 5% off. FleetProxy X AdsPower, the ultimate combo for secure, scalable, and effortless multi-account management. Thanks for watching.